tested for COVID-19. A COVID-19 check will also be done, which is mandatory due to the pandemic, for each and every accused to undergo RT-PCR test, where her swabs will be taken to check if she is suffering from COVID-19 or if she has been infected by COVID-19 or not. Her her health will be checked, whether everything is normal, and then she'll be sent back to NCB, where NCB officials, it is yet not clear whether she'll be produced in court today or she'll be produced in court tomorrow. But the production will only happen through video conferencing. She'll not be taken physically to the court. It will happen through video conferencing as per the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate's order. Nabila?
Divyesh, do we know where is she going to be placed? Is she going to be in the NCB office for the next few days? How long will this arrest, how long will this custody be? In fact, we understand that Souvik will be in custody until the 9th of September. Now, what's the procedure for Rhea Chakravarti here? Will that be only decided tomorrow when she is produced before court, virtually?
Yes, exactly, Nabila. Once she's produced in court and the court remands her in NCB custody, she'll have to remain in the NCB lockup, which is also there in the NCB office. Remember, officials had also checked and checked the condition of the lockup, female lockup that is there in the Narcotics Control Bureau office. There's another lockup for male accused. There's another lockup for female accused, and Rhea Chakravarti could be kept in that particular lockup if before she is produced in court. Once she is produced, if the court doesn't give Narcotics Control Bureau her custody, she'll be sent into judicial custody, and then the lawyer of Rhea Chakravarti can move for bail. If the bail gets rejected, she'll have to stay in jail meanwhile till her bail order comes out. Nabila?
Divyesh, would you say there's any possibility for Rhea Chakravarti to get bail, considering that the charges are not yet made known? The NCB are keeping it under wraps as to what they've really found. Charges have not yet been established. Do you think it's likely that Rhea Chakravarti can get bail tomorrow?
See, these are the similar charges that Rhea Chakravarti has been booked. Section 8C, attempt to sell, attempt to procure, attempt to transport, criminal conspiracy under the NDPS Act. Section 27A, harboring narcotics. Section 28-29, attempt to procure, transportation of illegal banned substances, possession of banned substances. And this is through statements of Dipesh Sawant, Samuel Miranda, that these sections have been applied against Rhea Chakravarti. And these are the same sections that were applied against Souvik, Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant, who were all remanded to NCB custody till 9th of September. So as of now, it seems
Take us through the sections again. Take us through the sections again. What are the charges against Rhea Chakravarti? Mention those sections again, please.
Nabila, it's the Section 8C of NDPS Act, Section 27 of NDPS Act, Section 20. Procure, attempt to transport banned narcotic substances and controlled substances. It also involves criminal conspiracy under the NDPS Act. This act also includes Section 27, also highlights harboring of narcotics. She's been recipient of narcotics. That is what the NCB officials indicate, and also she has facilitated the procurement of banned narcotic substances, and that is why all these 4 sections have been applied against her.
Right. Here we're looking at Souvik Chakravarti, who's already in custody. Now Rhea has also been taken in. Apart from that, Samuel Miranda and Dipesh. 4 of them have now been arrested. What next in terms of the NCB's crackdown here? Divyesh, if you can take us through what will be the NCB's further investigation, line of investigation there. Who else is under scanner here? And will Bollywood personalities one after the other be pulled up and summoned? We understand there's a lot of talk about 25 Bollywood stars who might just be summoned by the NCB. Where have they got these 25 names from? How have they zeroed these names from? Where, in fact, we understand that all these 25 actors may or may not have links with Sushant Singh Rajput, and many of them have even come into contact with Sushant in the past. A few of them haven't. They're all going to be zeroed in on and summoned.
Nabila, as of now, we don't have any confirmation regarding the names of people who could be summoned, but it seems that Neeraj Singh, who is the house help who was working as a cook for Sushant Singh Rajput, could be summoned because he, in his statement to CBI, Mumbai Police and ED, has indicated that Sushant Singh Rajput was consuming marijuana cigarettes. He would smoke marijuana cigarette and he himself rolled those cigarettes for him. He had kept it in a box, and when the actor died, he found that the box was completely empty. And that is why he could be called, he could be summoned. But regarding celebrities and Bollywood personalities, it is not yet clear. There is no confirmation regarding it, whether they will be summoned by the NCB and who all are being summoned by the NCB.
Right, let's quickly cut across to Pankaj Upadhyay there. Let's take a listen. Pankaj Upadhyay, following Riya Chakravarti's car vehicle there, she's been taken in for medical test.
एनसीबी के अधिकारी डे वन से कह रहे थे कि उनकी निगाह सिर्फ इस केस पर नहीं है, साथ ही साथ को जो बॉलीवुड का जो किला है उसको भी, जो ड्रग माफिया है उसको भी उन्हें ध्वस्त करना है। अभी हमारे सूत्र बता रहे हैं कि कई बॉलीवुड के ए लिस्टर्स के नाम बाकायदा आ गए हैं एनसीबी के पास। अब वो कब उन्हें बाहर करता है, क्या ए लिस्टर्स भी अब फोर्ट एरिया में नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के दफ्तर में यहां पर आएंगे, उनसे पूछताछ होगी। अगर ऐसा होता है तो ये बहुत बड़ा मामला हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इससे पहले कभी हमने मुंबई शहर में इतनी बड़ी संख्या में एनसीबी की इस तरह की एक्टिविटी तो नहीं देखी है। अगर ऐसा होता है ये अपने आप में देखने वाली बात होगी, लेकिन फिलहाल ग्राउंड जीरो पर बड़ी खबर यह है, रिया चक्रवर्ती को गिरफ्तार कर लिया है नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो। उनको अपनी गाड़ी में इस वक्त मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन के लिए लेके जा रहे हैं। उनका मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन जो कि एज अ पार्ट ऑफ प्रोसीजर है वो कराया जा रहा है। पेंडेमिक को देखते हुए कोरोना टेस्ट भी करवाया जाएगा, फिटनेस सर्टिफिकेट लिया जाएगा और उसके बाद एनसीबी उन्हें वापस यहीं पर अपने हेडक्वार्टर्स में लेके आएगी। एक महत्वपूर्ण बात यह भी है कि अब मेट्रोपॉलिटन कोर्ट में उनको नहीं लेके जाया जाएगा, क्योंकि नया आदेश पास हो गया है जिसमें कहा गया है कोरोना इस पेंडेमिक की सिचुएशन को देखते हुए अब एक जगह से दूसरे जगह तक यहां पर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन नहीं किया जाए, वर्चुअल ही अब यहां पर कोर्ट के सामने पेशी की जाएगी। यानी जितने दिन की कस्टडी भी मिलेगी, अब वो सिर्फ डायरेक्टली एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर नहीं लेके जाया जाएगा, यानी रिया को कोर्ट में नहीं लेके जाएंगे। अंदर ही अंदर एक बार मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन के बाद रिया चक्रवर्ती नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के हेडक्वार्टर्स में आ जाती हैं, फिर वो वहां से बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे। फिर एनसीबी